Number 1. Cassowary. The cassowary is a large, flightless bird native to Australia and New Guinea. It's known for its striking appearance, with a tall, bony crest on its head and bright blue skin on its neck and head. The cassowary is considered one of the most dangerous birds in the world due to its powerful legs and sharp claws. It's also known for its unique mating habits, with males taking on the majority of the incubation and care of their offspring. Despite its fearsome reputation, the cassowary is an important part of the ecosystems it inhabits, helping to disperse seeds and maintain forest health. Number 2. Ostrich. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world, with males standing up to 9 feet tall and weighing up to 350 pounds. Ostriches are primarily found in Africa and are well adapted to their arid environments, with the ability to go without water for several days. Ostriches are primarily found in Africa and are well adapted to their arid environments, with the ability to go without water for several days. They have unique feathers that are used for insulation, decoration, and even fly swatters. Despite their large size and reputation for being aggressive, ostriches are actually quite social animals, living in groups called flocks and sharing communal nests. Number 3. African crowned eagle. The African crowned eagle is a large bird of prey found in sub-Saharan Africa. It's known for its striking appearance, with a distinctive crest of feathers on its head and a powerful, hooked beak. The African crowned eagle is a formidable hunter, capable of taking prey as large as monkeys and antelopes. Despite its size and strength, the African crowned eagle is a relatively shy bird that is rarely seen by humans. Unfortunately, habitat loss and hunting have led to declines in African crowned eagle populations, and the species is now considered vulnerable to extinction. Number 4. Southern ground hornbill. The southern ground hornbill is a large bird found in sub-Saharan Africa. It's known for its striking appearance, with a bright red throat patch and long, black beak. The southern ground hornbill is a ground-dwelling bird that feeds primarily on insects, reptiles, and small mammals. They are known for their loud, booming calls, which can be heard from several miles away. Unfortunately, habitat loss and hunting have led to declines in southern ground hornbill populations, and the species is now considered vulnerable to extinction. Number 5. Lammergeier. The lammergeier, also known as the bearded vulture, is a large bird of prey found in mountainous regions of Europe, Asia, and Africa. It's known for its striking appearance, with a distinctive, feathered beard and a wingspan of up to 9 feet. The lammergeier is a scavenger that feeds primarily on the bones of dead animals, which it drops onto rocks from high altitudes to break open. They are known for their impressive flying abilities, with the ability to soar for hours without flapping their wings. Despite their impressive size and unique feeding habits, lammergeier populations are declining due to habitat loss and persecution by humans. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring. Subscribe. World Identify.